Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Color Tunes with Sampada and Purvi. Today we learn how to make grass and wood in watercolors. I've mentioned all the materials used in the description box below. So let's get started. Here I've taken a 00 round brush and that's the surface I'm drawing with lemon yellow. I'll make vertical strokes. If you get texture like that, you need to add more of water to your color and you'll get smooth lines. Make sure your strokes go from down to up, brushes are wider down. We'll move to our next layer. I'm mixing sap green and lemon yellow, and I'll repeat the strokes, but we'll keep this shorter. So here we'll overlap the grass to make it look more lively. Now that's sap green directly, and this will be our last layer. If you want to add more layers, you can go ahead with the sap green and Prussian blue, and for further layers go on adding more Prussian blue so you get a darker shade. So just go on like this, thin strokes. So I've also mentioned this earlier that I use artist watercolors, and I highly recommending using Chitrapat sheet or Canson sheet for watercolors or any handmade sheet. There are many more sheets available in the market for watercolors, but choose them wisely. And here, that's it. So simple. Use a thin brush and you will get going. So now here's our final work. Now we move on to see how to make woods in watercolors. I'll start with the core and I'll make this peanut-like shape with burnt sienna or brown. Here I'm using a 00 round brush. That's brown with Prussian blue. And with the same color and brush, I make this line. Now it's ochre yellow. You can watch me switch between burnt sienna and ochre yellow. Since our core had not dried off, these colors will mix by themselves. So we'll repeat with these three colors and the same method. Okay, so now we'll add more layers to this with the same colors. So here the wood texture is seen. So wood texture is just nothing but repetitive curved lines. Just follow as I'm doing. Thin strokes here. So now this is semi-dry. Here I'm adding a little bit of Prussian blue mixed with a little bit of burnt sienna and a little bit of black. So this is for highlighting our divisions. So using the thin brush, just keep going on slowly. That's it. So simple and beautiful, right? Go try it out now. Please like, share and subscribe if you liked our video. Thanks for watching.